Antibacterial, 90%, isopropyl alcohol, sage, all that shit. Lysol to come in this motherfucker and start coughing, nigga. What the fuck you got this shit for, nigga? That shit ain't funny, nigga. You gonna come in here, wipe everything down, and then start fucking coughing, nigga. It's an oxymoron. Get out my car, nigga.
You don't want to.
This is how you ride it. After you wiped everything, I'm like, what the fuck you so quiet for? And all of a sudden you go, and you broke free after that. You just like fucking, like fuck my life. Fuck my life, B. I can't do shit for people no more.
I'm doing something for you.
Well,
right
nigga,
now.
you should have said no. You should have led with the cough. I would have just hung up.